Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1099-Q. We'll walk through understanding this important tax document step by step. First, identify the payer's information and your account details on the form. Next, locate the gross distribution amount in Box 1. Then, find the earnings in Box 2 and the basis in Box 3. This information is crucial for determining the taxable portion of your education savings distributions. Form 1099-Q details distributions from qualified tuition programs like 529 plans or covered LESAs. You'll receive this form if you took money out of one of these accounts. Box 1 shows the total amount distributed. Box 2 specifically highlights the earnings, which might be taxable. Box 3 shows the return of your original contributions, which is generally not taxed. Understanding these distinctions is key to accurate tax reporting. To report your distributions, you'll compare the total amount received from Box 1 of Form 1099-Q against your total qualified education expenses. If your qualified expenses equal or exceed your distributions, the earnings are typically tax-free. However, if distributions exceed expenses, a portion of the earnings may be taxable. Keep meticulous records of all your educational costs to ensure correct reporting. Remember to keep thorough records of all your qualified education expenses, including receipts for tuition, books, and housing. This documentation is vital if the IRS ever questions your tax-free distributions. Also, be mindful of how Form 1099-Q interacts with other education tax benefits, such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit or Lifetime Learning Credit. For complex scenarios, consider seeking advice from a qualified tax professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.